Upgrading from a 2024 install, you might notice flow actions with a red dot, which are now deprecated. To update this action to a supported version, let's first edit the action. We see that it is the deprecated version of sending a structured notification. Review the details, making note of the current values as we will be using them shortly. Rename this action to include old, allowing us to easily create the new one with the good name. Add a new element, searching for the non-deprecated action. Fill in all the details just as you had them in the old action. You can switch between the old and new if you need to refresh your memory on what a value was. Once it looks good, remove the deprecated action. Save the flow as a new version, then activate it.